Settle into comfort now. Allow your body to rest. Nothing is required of you. There is nowhere you need to go. Your only task is to relax. Take a slow breath in and let it gently fall away. With every breath out, your body softens. Your shoulders release. Your jaw loosens. Your forehead becomes smooth and calm. You are safe in this moment. You are supported by the surface beneath you. The day is complete. You have done enough for today. Now your body knows how to rest. Your mind knows how to quiet. Each word you hear guides you deeper into peace. There is no rush. There is no effort. Relaxation happens naturally. Your breathing becomes slow and easy. Inhale calm. Exhale tension. Inhale comfort. Exhale anything you no longer need. Your body listens to gentle instruction. Your nervous system settles into balance. Your heart rate slows to a peaceful rhythm. Every cell receives the message that it is safe to relax. You are allowed to rest deeply. You are allowed to heal gently. Healing does not require effort. Healing happens naturally while you sleep. Your body knows exactly how to restore itself. Your mind knows how to reset. Your emotions know how to soften. With each breath, you drift further inward. Thoughts begin to fade into the background. They no longer demand attention. They float by like distant clouds. You do not need to follow them. You simply rest. This moment is calm. This moment is quiet. This moment belongs to you. As your body relaxes, warmth spreads through you. It moves through your feet. It travels up your legs. It settles into your hips and lower back. Muscles soften. Tension dissolves. Your stomach becomes relaxed and at ease. Your chest feels open and light. Your breathing flows smoothly and freely. Your arms grow heavy and comfortable. Your hands relax completely. Your neck releases its hold. Your head feels supported and calm. Your entire body is now resting. You are sinking into comfort. You are drifting towards sleep. Nothing can disturb this peaceful state. The world outside becomes distant and quiet. Only calm remains. Only rest remains. Your mind begins to slow. Thoughts become softer. Gaps of silence appear between them. Those gaps grow wider and more frequent. Silence becomes familiar and safe. In this silence, healing begins. Your body repairs itself naturally. Your immune system strengthens. Your muscles recover. Your nervous system resets. Your mind releases old stress. Your subconscious absorbs calm reassurance. You are deeply relaxed now. Sleep comes closer with every breath. There is no need to try. Sleep arrives on its own. Your awareness gently drifts. You feel heavy and light at the same time. Heavy with relaxation, light with peace. You are wrapped in comfort. You are surrounded by safety. Your inner world is calm and quiet. Each word sinks gently into your subconscious. These words support healing. These words support rest. These words guide you into deep sleep. You trust the process of rest. You trust your body. You trust your mind. Everything is working in your favor. As you rest, your body releases the past. Old tension leaves without effort. Old stress fades away. Your system returns to its natural balance. Calm becomes your default state. Peace becomes familiar. Rest feels safe and welcome. You are doing exactly what you need to do right now. Nothing else matters. Only rest. Only calm. Only gentle healing. Your breathing is slow and steady. Your heartbeat is calm and even. Your body temperature is comfortable and stable. Every system works together in harmony. You feel deeply supported. You feel deeply relaxed. You feel deeply at peace. Sleep draws nearer. Your mind drifts like a feather. Soft, light, unburdened. There is nothing to hold on to. There is nothing to solve. There is nothing to fix. Rest is enough. In this state, healing unfolds naturally. Your subconscious mind absorbs safety. It absorbs calm. It absorbs reassurance. You are safe to let go. You are safe to rest. You are safe to sleep deeply. Your body responds with gratitude. Muscles soften further. Breath deepens. Mind quiets. You are now drifting, floating, resting. Sleep welcomes you gently, and you allow yourself to go deeper, deeper into calm, deeper into rest, deeper into healing. This calm continues. This rest deepens. This healing flows effortlessly. Your body is already resting deeply. There is nothing you need to change. There is nothing you need to do. Relaxation continues on its own. Your breathing remains slow and natural. Each breath gently carries you further into sleep. Your mind becomes quieter with every moment. Silence feels comfortable now. Silence feels safe. In this calm state, your body begins deeper restoration. Every cell receives exactly what it needs. Your muscles repair gently. Your joints soften and loosen. Your spine releases all remaining tension. Your posture resets naturally. Your body remembers how to feel balanced and easy. As you rest, healing energy flows without effort. It moves slowly and evenly. It reaches every system. Your immune system grows stronger. Your nervous system settles into deep balance. Your digestion becomes calm and smooth. Your circulation flows freely and easily. Your body temperature remains perfectly comfortable. You feel held in steady calm. Emotional tension begins to soften now. Old feelings that no longer serve you gently dissolve. There is no need to revisit them. There is no need to analyze them. They simply fade as you rest. Your emotional body becomes lighter. Your heart space feels open and calm. You feel emotionally safe. You feel emotionally supported. Any emotional weight you have been carrying is released. You are allowed to let go. You are allowed to rest fully. Your subconscious mind listens closely in this state. It absorbs reassurance easily. It absorbs calm deeply. It absorbs the message that everything is okay. You are safe. You are supported. You are doing enough. Your subconscious begins to replace stress with peace. Old patterns of tension gently unwind. Your mind learns a new rhythm, a slower rhythm, a calmer rhythm, a healthier rhythm. This calm rhythm becomes familiar. It becomes natural. It becomes your new normal. As sleep deepens, awareness softens. You drift further away from the surface of thought. Words may begin to blur. That is perfectly fine. Your subconscious still receives every benefit. Every word supports healing. Every pause deepens rest. Your dreams, if they appear, are gentle and calm. Your mind chooses peaceful imagery. Your inner world feels safe and soothing. You rest without interruption. You sleep without effort. Your body remains still and comfortable. Your breathing remains slow and steady. Each exhale releases deeper layers of tension. Each inhale brings comfort and ease. Your face is relaxed. Your eyes rest softly behind closed lids. Your tongue rests easily in your mouth. Your jaw remains loose and free. Your shoulders sink deeper into support. Your arms rest heavily and comfortably. Your hands feel warm and relaxed. Your legs feel heavy and calm. Your feet are completely at ease. Your entire body is now in deep rest. This level of rest supports deep healing. Your body uses this time wisely. Repair happens naturally. Balance returns gently. You do not need to control the process. Your body already knows how to heal. Your mind already knows how to reset. You trust this process completely. With trust comes deeper relaxation. With relaxation comes deeper sleep. You are now drifting even further. Time feels slow and unimportant. There is only this calm moment. There is only rest. There is only ease. Your subconscious mind begins reinforcing safety. It learns that rest is safe. It learns that letting go is safe. It learns that calm is allowed. These lessons settle deeply. They remain even after sleep. You wake feeling more balanced. You wake feeling more grounded. You wake feeling more at ease. For now, you continue to rest. Sleep deepens naturally. Your awareness drifts further inward. Thought fades into silence. Silence becomes your home. In this silence, healing continues. Effortlessly, gently, naturally. You are resting very deeply now. Your conscious mind can drift freely. Your subconscious mind remains gently aware. It listens. It learns. It restores. There is no effort here. Everything unfolds naturally. Your breathing continues in a slow, steady rhythm. Each breath supports deeper calm. Each pause supports deeper sleep. Your body feels distant and light. Your mind feels spacious and quiet. This is a deeply healing state. Your subconscious now absorbs calm as truth. Calm feels normal. Calm feels safe. Calm feels familiar. Your nervous system adopts this calm permanently. It remembers this feeling. It returns to this balance easily. Your inner world feels steady and peaceful. There is nothing urgent. There is nothing missing. Everything is okay as it is. Your subconscious releases old survival patterns. It no longer needs to stay alert. It no longer needs to hold tension. Rest becomes the new default. Ease becomes natural. Safety becomes automatic. As you sleep, your mind gently reorganizes itself. Helpful patterns strengthen. Unhelpful patterns dissolve quietly. This happens without awareness, without effort, without force. You are simply resting. Your body remains perfectly still and comfortable. Your muscles stay soft and loose. Your joints remain relaxed and supported. Your spine rests in natural alignment. Your heart beats in a slow, calm rhythm. Your brain waves slow into deep sleep patterns. This is restorative sleep. This is healing sleep. Your subconscious accepts peaceful suggestions easily now. You are safe while you rest. You are supported while you sleep. You are protected in this calm state. Nothing needs your attention. Nothing can disturb this rest. The outside world fades complete.